We just got off. We just landed. We're gonna go into the airport. Now we're getting ready to go on the jet bridge. No nice questions. It's so long, bro. Can you go on the jet bridge? The whole entire airplane is like covered out. Hold up, let me show you. I don't want you to wait this long. Oh my gosh. We're finally moving. Let's go. Time. But they got Biscoff cookies. We got pretzels. Alright, it's gonna be in. We passed it through first class. Don't worry, I'm the first person. Oh shoot, we on the jet bridge. We in Charlotte. Let's go. Face check.
I think that left.
No, he's like standing at the gate for us. Got 2 tickets to go to Miami. I'm joking. We're driving to South Carolina. We are so good. Look at this. It looked like it stormed a couple minutes ago. Oh, there. The line was so long. Yeah.
Thank you.
It took so long.
Benny, everybody in motion is on 3.
Alright. I don't want to. I thought it was a good idea to shuffle in the airport, but second now, there's a lot of people. I just don't want to show people their faces. I'm not trying to. I'm the guy that's just like.
San Francisco.
Oh, San Francisco! Let's go 49ers. I'll meet y'all when we're getting our rental car. I'll show you what type of rental car we have.
Please move forward.
I don't care if I stop. We end up in a Honda. Yeah. No. Oh, my boy. Ugh. That's the most stretch I ever got today. Just for standing for that session. Alright, bye guys. The video's gonna end in like 3, 2, 1, bye.